Hello there, welcome back to the Once a Week Kitchen. I know it's Valentine's Day tomorrow, but we're having our meal tonight, so I'm cooking a special chicken dish with mushrooms and a creamy white wine sauce. So I'm looking forward to eating that with my partner Brian. He doesn't live here, he lives up the road, but we always eat at his house because he's got a nice dining room. So for dessert I'm doing a sort of a sundae with marinated cherries and whipped cream. So again, looking forward to that. Okay, I've got about 10 ounces of chicken here cut into strips, goujons I would say, about 125 grams of mushrooms, trimmed and quartered, an ounce of butter, a tablespoonful of vegetable oil, a tablespoonful of parsley, some double cream and a glass of white wine. That happens to be Chardonnay, but you can use any dry white wine you like. Plus I've got 2 little heart-shaped croutons that I'm going to fry in butter, just because it's Valentine's Day tomorrow. Put the croutons in the butter and fry them on both sides till they're crisp. So that's the croutons done, so I'll just set those on one side while I add in the rest of the butter and some oil. So I'm adding in the chicken. I'm going to cook these on all sides for about, I would say about 10 minutes until it's cooked through. I can see the chicken starting to change colour, so I'm going to turn the pieces over. So I'm just checking that the meat's cooked. I'll do that by making sure there are no pink juices coming out. No, the juices are running clear and the meat's tender, so that's cooked. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set it on one side while I cook the mushrooms and make the sauce. So I'm going to stir fry the mushrooms. Oops, get back in. Don't worry if all the butter disappears, it'll come back again once the juices start to run. It's so tempting to put more butter in, but you don't really need to. So the mushrooms are cooked now, and as you can see, the butter has returned, like I promised it would. In this other pan, I've got some asparagus spears and some cherry tomatoes, which I'm going to serve up. So what we do now, we add in the white wine. You need to boil that to get rid of the alcohol. While the sauce is reducing, I'm going to cook this spinach. I've washed it thoroughly, so there's enough water left on the leaves to cook it in the microwave, and a knob of butter and a pinch of salt. So the white wine's reduced now. All I need to add now is some cream and then taste it for salt and pepper. Oh, and of course the parsley. Don't forget the parsley. So that's a lovely sauce. Just taste it and see what it tastes like. Delicious. Just going to add in some salt and pepper, and then I'll put the chicken back in and heat it through. Okay, just adding in some boiling water and a chicken stock cube. Just to make the sauce richer and more of it. And we'll bring it to the boil. And that's it. Chicken with a creamy white wine and mushroom sauce. Perfect for Valentine's Day. So that's the finished dinner. Chicken and mushrooms in a creamy white wine sauce, crouton, fried tomatoes, asparagus tips and spinach. Wonderful. I can't wait to tuck into this. This is going to be a real treat. See you later. Bye.